Can you buy and sell stocks in Roth IRA? Most asset classes brokers and bankers invest your funds in, like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, are getting crushed with no immediate end in sight. The government is bailing out banks, broking houses, insurers, and mutual funds with handfuls of cash to stop an even worse scenario happening. So what's the answer? You basically have two choices: do nothing and hope for the best, or take some positive action and look for better returns from other asset class investments. Why bother doing this? Simply because you can invest in more asset classes and have more control over investment opportunities. An employee wants to earn as big a wage as possible doing a decent day's work. He is not an investment guru and hasn't time to be running around looking after investments, so why would he take this action? Again, the answer is simple: because he can use specialized people in organizations structured to look after all the issues using a turnkey approach. Under normal circumstances, investors could expect to receive 7 to 8% return on their IRA retirement plan. However, things aren't normal at the moment and probably won't be for a long time to come. Getting these kinds of returns is highly unlikely at the moment. In fact, many are turning to cash for safety with even lower interest rate returns. There are real estate investment opportunities at the moment offering a far superior return on investment. We all know real estate hasn't been immune from worldwide financial problems. However, there are some great turnkey investments available where you can invest self-directed Roth IRA money to get a better ROI. Working a normal 9-to-5 job doesn't offer regular employees much opportunity to create wealth. Retirement saving plans are great incentives to encourage people to be self-financed retirees and not rely on government pensions. But if you want to be financially independent in retirement, you may have to broaden your investment scope. One successful way to create wealth faster is to grow your original capital with better profits from greater ROI. Then use this money to reinvest and try to do the same thing again. Each time you do this, the capital grows. The self-directed Roth IRA tax incentives enable you to speed up increasing your wealth in the account by not having to pay tax on the profits when the funds are withdrawn, provided you abide by the IRS rules. In conclusion, the financial environment is difficult today compared to even 12 months ago. Just about every asset class is giving poor results. A Roth IRA investment in real estate may be a viable option worth considering to help grow your retirement income. Seek advice from a trusted financial advisor and then find a company that specializes in proven turnkey real estate solutions that can give you a better return on your money invested.